The Navratna Companies are a group of companies in the Central Public Sector Enterprises, CPSEs, that have enhanced financial autonomy. The Government of India initially awarded the Navratna status to 9 public sector undertakings, PSUs, in 1997. Over the years, the list of Navratna companies has expanded to 16, including some top PSUs such as Bharat Electronics Limited, Power Finance Corporation, Shipping Corporation of India. To attain Navratna status, a company must first achieve Miniratna status and fulfill specific criteria, like, the company must achieve a score of at least 60 out of 100 in the parameters, net worth, net profit, the total cost of production, total manpower cost, cost of services, capital employed, and PBDIT, profit before depreciation, interest, and taxes. There should be 4 independent board directors in the company. Once granted Navratna status, a company gains the ability to invest up to 1,000 crore rupees or 15% of its net worth in a single project, or up to 30% of its net worth annually, not exceeding 1,000 crore rupees. Presently, there are a total of 16 Navratna CPSEs, with 2 recent additions. National Fertilizer Limited, NFL, following the Department of Public Enterprise, Ministry of Finance, Government of India's grant of Navratna status, NFL's share price surged by approximately 6.3% on the BSE to 103 rupees and 25 paise. With a market capitalization of 5,014 crore rupees. NFL has demonstrated robust financial performance, delivering significant returns of approximately 46% in the last 6 months and around 35% in the last year. In 2024, it has yielded approximately 2.3% in positive returns. Its revenue from operations witnessed a substantial quarter-on-quarter growth of nearly 34%, reaching 7,581 crore rupees in Q3 FY23-24, accompanied by a remarkable increase in net profit by 273% (CoC), amounting to 151 crore rupees. Established in 1974, NFL is primarily engaged in the production and marketing of various fertilizer and agricultural products. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited share price saw an uptick nearly 2.3% to 199 rupees and 40 paise on NSE during Monday's trading session. With a market capitalization of 39,000 crore rupees, HUDCO's shares were trading positively at 195 rupees and 80 paise. The company has delivered impressive returns, recording approximately 168% in the last 6 months and nearly 319% in the last year. In 2024, it has achieved positive returns of approximately 52%. Its revenue from operations experienced an approximately 8% CoC growth, reaching 2,013 crore rupees in Q3 FY23-24, accompanied by a notable increase in net profit by 14.8% CoC, amounting to 519 crore rupees. HUDCO, under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, MoHA, specializes in financing housing and urban development activities in India.